friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to save number in Gmail account. Friends, you want to save number on your Gmail account, and how to save number today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to save number on Gmail. So friends, click on phone call setting and guys enter number. So which number friends you want to save on Gmail, enter here. Example guys, I will enter guys 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So this number, and guys I want to save on my Gmail. Friends, click on create new contact, click here and guys select your Gmail. So guys I will select my Gmail, and guys you can see this number will save on my Gmail. So as I will click on, I will enter name. So I will turn to my contact number and I will save. Friends, you can see this number will save on Gmail, and friends I can check this number on my Poco mobile. Friends, you can see my contact number. Friends, recently guys we have saved this number. Friends, you can check date and Gmail. And friends, you want to edit this contact number, so friends click here. You want to add picture on this contact number, so guys click on gallery option and select your images. So I have this image and I will set here, done. Friends, you can see this photo will save on contact number. So like that friends, you can save photo on contact number, you can save a number on your Gmail. And friends, you want to set ringtone on this number, so you can set ringtone from here. So I hope friends you understood how to save contact number on Gmail. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.